Semovita shouldn't be lumpy. It's something you should enjoy with your soup. I do not like semovita, but I enjoy making it. So here's a beginner-friendly video to guide you. First thing to do is to put water in a pot and allow it to boil. You should use a pot that you can hold comfortably. Put in some vegetable oil into the pot, cover it and allow it to come to a rolling boil. So while that's happening, you need to pour the semovita into a container or into a plate. This makes it easier to pour into the pot and avoid the lumps. Now this has come to a rolling boil and we're just going to gently put in the semovita. I tried not to fast forward this. I did not fast forward it at all. So you just need to take it slow and steady. Just gently put it into the pot gently and you keep stirring and stirring. I wasn't comfortable, so I had to move how I was pouring that in and then I just continued. So you have to make sure you're in a comfortable position and you just keep pouring in until you've covered every inch of the water. You can have someone pour this in for you while you do the stirring. That may make it easier for you. So you just keep stirring and stirring. Look how pillowy this looks and we are not even done. So you just need to make sure that everything is properly combined and there are no lumps. If you have more than one ladle in your house, it will be better to use your favorite ladle. Use the ladle you're most comfortable with. This will give you a leverage. So once everything is properly combined, you just need to put in some hot water and let it sit on fire for a minute. A minute is okay. Anything more than that, you may end up burning your semovita. It's past 1 minute and I just stirred everything together. Look at how beautiful that looks. If you've been struggling with making semovita, trust me, try this method and you're going to enjoy making semovita. I really do not like semovita, but look at how beautiful this looks. I was so happy making it and my brother couldn't even wait. I had to serve him immediately on screen. Anyway, do let me know if you tried this and if it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.